angel wing begonia natin, guys. I-propagate natin para dadami. Ito yung pinaka-mother. Ito yung pinaka-mother plant. So, ang gawin natin, we propagate. We're gonna, the secret of it, because I did it before, now we cut like half inch right here, guys. And then we have this, we put, inano natin yan, inilinisan talaga. Just clean it up totally. And a purified water. Ayan. Ito transfer natin dyan. At least change the water once a week. Hanggang rooted siya, okay? So what we're gonna do is we're going to cut this side here. Okay, let me turn around the camera, guys, a second. Ayan. Mag-propagate tayo ng angel wing begonia. Ayan, guys. Dito, kasi ito na-transfer. Ito, nakagawa ako ng 5 plant. Ayan, may baby na siya. Okay. May baby na rin siya. Ayan. So, we're gonna do this. We're gonna cut it right here. Okay. Okay. Ayan, guys, para makaano tayo, makarami. Okay? Okay. Cut natin. Yan, pinaka-close na. Ito, ano natin. Pwede namang i-straight plant mo, pero ako hindi. Pinapaano ko talaga yan. Ini-sterilize din natin yung gunting natin. Then, scissor, you can use whatever. So, we're gonna go right here. Just over, like, right here, guys. Ganyan lang ka, mga half, yan, parang half inch. Sorry. Parang half inch lang siya, right there. See, ayan yung pinaka, niya, line, diba? So, lang tayo, para may bago na namang mag-grow dyan later. So, ayan, mga half inch lang, guys. Okay? Kinat na natin, guys. Ayan, kasi ilagay natin diretso dyan. Okay? Hanggang mag-rotate siya. Tapos, guha pa tayo ng isa pa. Kasi tumaas na siya ng gusto.